Today I'm going to show you how to light a campfire in Project Zomboid. First, make sure you've already placed a campfire on the ground. Next, you need some fuel and an ignition item. Fuel can be things like planks, logs, twigs, ripped sheets, books, magazines, or newspaper. For ignition, you need a lighter or matches in your inventory so the game recognizes you can start the fire. Make sure the fuel items are either already in the campfire inventory or near the campfire. If it has no fuel, you won't see the light option. Now right-click the campfire itself. In the menu that appears, select Light Fire. The game will then consume 1 unit of fuel, like a plank or log, and use your lighter or matches to start the flame. Once the campfire is lit, it will produce heat and light. You can right-click and add fuel anytime to extend how long it burns. Logs and planks burn much longer than twigs or paper if you want it to last. Keep in mind that fire attracts zombies and can spread to flammable tiles, so place the campfire in a safe outdoor spot and monitor it while it burns. And that's how you light a campfire in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.